Welcome to a thrilling look at one of the most powerful machines in modern military engineering, the 2026 T16 Berserk South Korea Army tank, a true symbol of next-generation defense technology and raw battlefield dominance. The T16 Berserk has been designed with unmatched precision, combining agility, firepower and next-level armor capabilities, making it a game-changer in armored warfare. Let's begin with the power that drives this beast. The 2026 T16 comes with a high-performance hybrid diesel-electric engine system offering both stealth mode and high mobility, designed for rapid deployment across varied terrain including deserts, snowfields and mountainous regions. This tank can travel up to 80 km/h on-road and 50 km/h off-road with advanced traction control for ultimate stability. Now when it comes to weaponry, the T16 Berserk is armed to the teeth. It features a 130mm smoothbore cannon with automatic loading capable of firing multiple types of advanced ammunition including armor-piercing rounds, explosive shells and smart munitions with laser guidance support. On top of that, it has a remote-controlled 12.7mm heavy machine gun for close defense and two retractable anti-drone missile pods, making it well prepared for modern combat scenarios. In terms of protection, the T16 uses advanced composite armor combined with explosive reactive armor panels and an active protection system that can intercept incoming threats like RPGs and anti-tank missiles before they hit the tank. Also includes a low radar profile and heat signature reduction, making it harder to detect by enemy drones and sensors. Crew comfort and operational efficiency are also prioritized in this model. The interior is equipped with smart displays, touch-sensitive controls and AI-assisted targeting systems that can identify, track and engage multiple targets automatically. Night vision, 360-degree surveillance and digital battlefield integration allow the crew to make fast strategic decisions in real time. The South Korean military has reported that the T16 Berserk will be deployed in elite armored divisions starting late 2026 and is expected to play a major role in national and regional defense missions. Its production has been fully localized with leading South Korean defense companies, ensuring supply chain resilience and cutting-edge domestic innovation. Now let's talk about the expected price range. The base cost of one T16 Berserk is estimated to be around $9 million per unit, but this price can vary based on configuration, special upgrades and export packages for allied nations. The tank is currently undergoing final testing phases with live-fire demonstrations and simulated warfare environments, proving its elite standing among global military assets. With unmatched firepower, futuristic systems and hardened armor, the T16 Berserk is setting a new global standard for main battle tanks. If you're into defense tech, modern warfare or military hardware, this video is definitely something you'll want to watch from beginning to end. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment what you think about the T16 Berserk. Would you like to see a comparison with other modern tanks like the American Abrams X or Russia's Armator? Stay tuned for more powerful updates right here.